Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. For today's video, we will be making 7-layer bars with a Halloween twist. I want to make something really simple and something really fun and really delicious. Let's get started with our first step. Our ingredients are 1 cup of finely crushed salted pretzels, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and we have 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chips, candy corn, chocolate M&Ms, and sweetened coconut, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. For our first step, we're going to take our pretzels, our butter, and our sugar, and we're going to make kind of a crust layer like you would with a graham cracker and cheesecake. Let's take our butter, our sugar, and our pretzels, and then we're going to take our mixture and we're just going to pour it into the bottom of our pan. And then using some sort of hard, flat bottom of like a dish or a bowl, we're just going to press down this layer. Now with this lovely layer, we're going to take this into our preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to bake this for 10 minutes. And so for our next step, we're going to add in our layers. So first we're going to start with some Halloween-themed M&Ms. Then I'm going to add in chocolate chips. And then I'm going to add in our shredded coconut. I'm going to move on to my next layer of our heavy whipping cream, our sugar, and our dark brown sugar, and I'm going to mix these all together, and I'm going to pour it over the top of this. And so with that, we're going to let this sit just for a little bit, just so that we get everything saturated. So now for our last layer of our 7-layer bars, we're going to be adding the top layer, and to make it a Halloween theme, I'm going to add in some candy corn and some sprinkle eyeballs. Candy eyeballs. So with that, our Halloween themed 7-layer bars are completely done. We're going to put this into the fridge for around 15 minutes. So thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I hope you guys make this, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Halloween!